Exterior doors should meet a minimum R-value thumb rule to meaningfully contribute to a home's thermal performance. For exterior door R-value thumb rule of house construction, aim for insulated slab or panel doors rated at R5 or higher in cold climates and R3 or higher in mild climates, and always consider whole door performance, not just core material. Choose doors with continuous thermal breaks between exterior cladding and interior surfaces to avoid conductive bypass, and select cores such as polyurethane foam for higher R values while recognizing that steel skins need thermal isolation to perform. Check the U factor reported by manufacturers and compare it to your local energy code requirements, because R values and U factors are inverse, and codes often specify maximum U factors rather than minimum. R values. Improve installed performance by installing full-height weather stripping that compresses without binding, using an adjustable threshold to keep consistent contact, and sealing the jamb to frame gap with low expansion foam applied sparingly to avoid frame distortion. Consider adding an operable storm door where appropriate to create an air buffer. A properly ventilated storm door reduces convective losses and extends the life of weather seals. When retrofitting, remove the door only to assess frame condition and insulation opportunities, shim to transfer load correctly, and use long throw screws through strikes and hinges for a tight mechanical connection that preserves thermal continuity. Common mistakes include assuming material alone guarantees performance, such as thinking a solid wood door is inherently high R value when dense wood can have lower insulation than foam cores. Remedy this by verifying the published R value or U factor for the complete door assembly. A second issue is poor sealing and installation, leaving gaps at the bottom or around the frame. Fix this with proper weather stripping, a correctly set threshold, and careful air sealing of the jamb-to-wall interface. A third concern is ignoring thermal bridging at metal frames and hardware. Address this by selecting frames with thermal breaks, using insulating gaskets around hardware when available, and minimizing exposed metal to exterior conductive paths during installation. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door performance, where we can share experiences and local practices. We help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work, and we host a discussion community so members can ask questions, compare product experiences, and get practical installation tips from peers.